Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I installed this wig and styled it, cut it, everything like that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned to the end of today's video. Go ahead and follow my social medias. They will be on the screen, and then we're going to get straight into the video. Alright YouTube, so I went ahead and I put my bald cap on. Now if you don't know how to melt your bald cap in 2024, definitely search that up on YouTube. So I already put my bald cap on like I said. Now I'm going to take my foundation. You can use any type of foundation, powders, sticks, whatever you know you're used to. And then you're just going to put that across the bald cap to make it look like your scalp. Now this is a HD bald cap, so you can see my hair still, but whatever's. So I'm going to go ahead and take this skin protectant, which can be found on my Amazon storefront in the link in the description if you guys wanted to purchase. It's basically supposed to protect your skin from the harsher glue and stuff like that. So this is the wig, boom, 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 30-inch. I'm going to say ginger, 13x4 lace front wig, human hair. And I'm going to go ahead and basically cut off the bottom tabs, tighten up the straps, and I'm going to go ahead and put makeup on the inside of the lace. That way the wig and the lace can melt perfectly. So now I'm over here trying the wig on. I do recommend doing this any or every time you're going to install a wig, because if you're not going to try it on to make sure it fits, that's just where problems come in, because if it doesn't fit, it's just not going to look right. So I'm just cutting off all of the extra lace so I can see. Like I tell y'all in every video, if you cannot see what you're doing, honey, you need to see. If you can't see, it's just, there's no point in this. And don't mind the little white stuff on the lace. That's really because of the wax when I was, styling the wig. And I do recommend styling the wig prior. I just think it's easier. It saves a lot of time. So I styled my middle part, straightened it, everything. So we're still looking good. So now that the wig fits us, we're gonna go ahead and take this bolt hole glue, which can be found on my Amazon storefront link in the bio. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically dot that off on top of the bald cap, like where the bald cap meets your skin, just like that. You want to put enough glue. Now I only do 2 layers because I tend to just wear my wigs for 2-3 days. And then you're gonna go ahead and take a popsicle stick, smoothing that out evenly. Evenly is the key word here, because if it's not even, it's not gonna dry even. Then there's gonna be patches and everything's just gonna look crazy. But you want to make sure to let this dry clear before you apply your next layer. So after about 5 to 6 minutes, it turned a little bit clear. It's still kind of white, but I went ahead and just put another layer because your girl has no patience. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. Put the dots all over the hairline in the same exact spot. Take the popsicle stick, smoothing that out evenly. And this is really the part where I messed up, but we're just not gonna say anything. It's because the glue is just not even. As you can see, some parts are clear, some parts are white. So like I said, applying your glue evenly is going to be a major thing. So definitely make sure you're applying it evenly. And about 10 minutes later, here I am installing it. And like I said, because I already know the middle part, honey, I already know where it's supposed to go. So I put the middle part in the middle, okay? And, I have to readjust it sometimes. But you want to make sure before you actually press it in that it's going to lay flat. So here I am making sure that you cannot see the bald cap or my hair underneath. And then I'm going to go ahead and press it in. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, as you can see, the front of the lace is like curled up, and it's like it's looking crazy. So what I'm going to tell you is you're going to take like something really flat, and you're basically going to push that down into the glue to make sure it's flat on top of the glue, because you're going to cut off all the extra lace anyway. And then we're going to go ahead and put our elastic band on, let that sit for at least 10-20 minutes, let that melt, and then we're going to be right back. So here I am, 20 minutes later or so. Really not 20 minutes later, y'all. I'm gonna give it like 7 minutes later. I was just very impatient. And here I am combing it out to make sure that the hair is not stuck to the glue anywhere. And as you can see, the front part of the lace where my middle part is, it's still some wet glue there. But y'all know me. I don't listen. So here I am cutting off all the extra lace. Take some scissors, or you can take those eyebrow razors, whatever works for you. I just figured out how to like use the eyebrow razor. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's way easier than the scissors. The scissors always has like a blunt cut, while the eyebrow razor does not have a blunt cut, so I prefer that. But you're gonna go ahead all the way down from the middle part to your ears. Then you're gonna cut a little ear tab, and me personally, I hold on to the wig and I rip that shit back. Okay, I rip it back, and then your ear should be exposed. If your ear's not exposed, problems, because you want your ear to be exposed and out so it's looking very natural. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So now when you get to the ear tab, you're gonna go ahead and make a little cut going towards up your ear. Do not cut yourself. And then I like to apply pressure and rip back, as you can see. Make sure your ear is popped out. As you can see, it's looking a little crazy. So you might have to adjust it, fix it, but this is how it should look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some spritz. I'm going to spray that on my finger, or you can use any lace melting spray. I prefer spritz or some type of hairspray, up to you. And you're just going to apply that on the lace where it meets the lace of your skin. Apply that in, let it dry a little bit, and then go ahead and apply your elastic band back on for another, I would say 20 minutes if you can wait that long. So while I let the band sit, I went ahead and styled the hair. I put it in a little ponytail, half up, half down in the back, and I parted out some of the bangs. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off the elastic band, and the lace is low-key looking kind of, you feel me? So I decided to put a little makeup on it. Hopefully it'll get better, you know what I'm saying? Something to fix this. But I really just think it's the lace, y'all. It's not me, it's the lace. But I'm gonna go ahead and part out my edges, do my edges, and then yeah, y'all will see that. So I went ahead and did the other side of my edges. I just did it off of camera, and here I am deciding now if to cut these little bang pieces, which I did. And here I am laughing because I'm nervous and I just regretted it in that moment. But here I am, girl. I think it looks cute. I low-key think it's giving, which I think. The bob is bobbing. Even though it's not a bob, the bob is bobbing. So here I am just like restyling it, you know, getting everything to look cute, straightening it. I did redo the ponytail in the back because it started to like drop. I didn't tie the hair tie high enough or tight enough, so that's that. And I did go ahead and curl those two pieces. Like I put a little bump in the ends, but I did not do that on camera. But it is on the thumbnail of the video and the pictures because, you know, like I said, after I stopped recording, I was like, nah, this ain't looking right. I had to bump the ends. All right, YouTube, so this is going to be the last and final look. I think it's really, really cute. I like the color. I think it goes well with my skin tone. But like I said, this is going to be the last look, the final look or whatever. It's really cute. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, especially if you watch from the beginning to the end. Go ahead and follow my social medias, and then I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.